everyone, so today we are making this super yummy and easy gunpowder or idli podi recipe. Let's quickly see how to make it. For this you will be needing some rice. This is normal rice we use daily, and then you'll also be needing some urad dal, some chana dal, some dry red chili, black pepper, and some curry leaves. You'll also need some salt and some red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder only for the color of the gunpowder. And then you'll also be needing some hing. Now into a hot pan, I am putting the urad dal. I heated the pan for about 2 to 3 minutes and then on high flame, and then I'm putting the urad dal in it. Into it I'm also putting chana dal. We will fry these two first and then we'll fry the rice separately. Fry these for about 20 to 25 minutes. I know it's a long time, but otherwise it will taste raw. After about 20 to 25 minutes, this is how it looks. And once this is done, let it cool down and then we'll move on to frying our rice. Into the same pan, I am putting the rice. And initially the gas is on high flame, but after the rice gets to a little golden brown stage, we will switch the gas to lower flame. Once you're halfway through frying the rice and it's a nice golden color, add in the dry red chili, curry leaves and the black pepper, and we'll again fry it for another 5 minutes. You will see the rice kernels puffing up. That is how you know that it's done. I've fried it for another 5 to 10 minutes and this is done too. We'll transfer it into a plate so that it can cool down completely. And here it is, our dal and rice is cooled down. Now I'm going to mix it together, both of them together. We fry them separately because if we fry the rice with the dal, then the rice will get burnt, because we do not need to fry the rice as much as we need to fry the dal. I hope I'm making sense. Now I'm mixing both the dal and the rice into a bowl, and into this now we are going to add the other ingredients. Okay, now into this I am going to add some salt, some red chili powder. Again, this is Kashmiri red chili powder, just for the color, and hing. Give it a good mix and then we are going to grind it in a mixer grinder. Now while grinding it, make sure you're not grinding it into a smooth powder. That is not how we want. The texture should be a little coarse. I'm grinding it in 2 batches because I have a small mixer grinder. Here it is, our first batch of idli podi's recipe is ready. Let's transfer this into a bowl and move on with the next batch. Again, do not grind it into a very fine powder. And here it is, our idli podi or gunpowder recipe is ready. And just a few points while grinding it and while making it, make sure that the mixer grinder or the bowl that you're using is completely dry. There should not be any water in it. You can have it with nice crispy dosa like I'm having it here, or also with some soft spongy idli. And you can store it in an airtight container for up to 3 to 6 months, but in our house it never lasts that long. We finish it in weeks time. And yeah, do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you liked it, if you did not like it. Here I'm having it with coconut oil, but you can also use sunflower oil or any other oil. And yeah, that is it. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time. Bye.